Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a really exciting video for me because I'm going to be participating in my very first challenge video. This is the Nailed It or Failed It July 2020 challenge. I had to find something that I wanted to recreate and then let the viewers decide whether I nailed it or failed it. This challenge is hosted by Kerri of Mama Dares to DIY. Our second host is Keisha of Sweet Urban Rose. Both ladies have amazing channels full of DIYs. Be sure to check out the Nailed It or Failed It playlist I've provided in the description box to watch all the hard work the participants have put into their creations. For my video, I chose a floral arrangement from Wayfair. With that high price tag, I would never purchase this item as much as I love it. I'm using Apple Barrel and Waverly paints. For this project, I used strictly what I already have at home. I have this small thrifted metal basket and it will be my vase. I'll apply 3 coats of white chalk paint. For a vase, I need something low and wide. For the details on the vase, I will use this package of stamps from Hobby Lobby. Now I will mix blue and black acrylic paint for the stamp. To get a more purple blue, I will add crimson to the mixture. I've chosen this floral stamp because it's most similar to the high-end vase. I will dab on the paint to a pouncer sponge I bought at Walmart. Dab off the excess and lightly dab on the paint to the raised areas of the stamp. Try to avoid getting paint in the grooves so that you have a clear pattern when you apply the stamp to the surface. I place the stamp to the top edge of the vase, being careful to place it precisely so that I won't move it after I've laid it down. If you move it or shift it, you will ruin the pattern. I continue the stamp application all the way around, and even though I don't follow a definite pattern, the original vase has such a busy pattern, that's what I tried to achieve. Press the stamp all over to ensure the paint is applied evenly on the entire surface of the stamp. This metal bucket, unfortunately, has some ridges going around it, so my pattern doesn't come out as cleanly as I wanted. Even with the ridges, I love the way the stamp looks. For hydrangeas, I had several blue from Dollar Tree. I also had some very large white ones that were thrifted over a year ago. I cut all the stems from the main stem because my arrangement is a very low one. The white bunches are too large, so they will have to be trimmed. I will trim the other white bunch as well. Now this blue to white proportion is what I'm going for. I will remove these large leaves for use later. This floral foam from Walmart will be used to secure the stems. After trimming the blue flowers some more, I will add them into my vase. Now remember these leaves? I'm taking this pear and folding it together and tucking it into one end, and slightly spreading the leaves apart. I'll do the same on the other side. It may not be the exact replica of this very pricey arrangement, but I think it's very sweet and so much more easy on my wallet. Remember, I didn't go out and purchase anything. These were items I already had. What do you think, guys? Did I nail it or fail it? I'll let you be the judge. Thanks for stopping by, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It's viewers like you that keep us growing in the YouTube community, and we are very grateful. Until the next video, have a great day.